lovelies, welcome back to the channel. We are here today with an unboxing that I have never done before. I told y'all whenever Spooky Box Club ended not to worry because we've got new unboxings coming. And this is for Gothic Beauty magazine, which is quite exciting. And I actually have two here because they sent me one I think late last year, but everything was chaotic. So I didn't get around to doing that yet, and then I got one there a couple of weeks ago and I'm finally having time to sit down and do this now. So we've got one from a little while ago and one more recent one. And also there is going to be a giveaway in this video, so please do stay tuned to the end for the details on how you can enter that. But I do just want to get right into opening it because I've been staring at these for a while. So, ooh, okay. So right on top we have the magazine, which I'm actually very excited to go through. I feel like I haven't had a physical magazine in my hands in such a long time, so this is very exciting. We'll have a flip through this at the end of the unboxing, I think. So I'm gonna set this down for a moment. Here we go. So this was box 54, and I think the one I have for after this is maybe 58, if I'm not mistaken. I'm not sure, I'll have to check. Oh, this says what's in there. We're not gonna read that just yet. Okay. Ooh! So right on top we have a little lip service sticker. I love lip service. I don't think I have anything from them right now. I did when I was younger. And I really want some again because their stuff is just so nice. I think for a while I was under the impression they didn't exist anymore. A while back now, I've known they're back again for ages, but whenever I was younger, I don't know, I thought they were gone, so I was really excited when I realized they're still around. And yeah, this sticker. There's also a little flyer thing for them. Ooh, are those socks? These are immediately the coolest socks I've ever owned. Oh my god, I'm so easy to excite. That's so cool. No longer will I be the stereotype of big stompy boots with cute little pink socks. I mean, I still will sometimes, but I mean, this is much cooler. Look! Why don't I own more cool socks? These are from Foot Clothes Hagborn? Foot Clothes Hagborn Tread. Blood Cathedral. Fits most adult humans. Very good. These are excellent, and they feel good and thick as well. Okay, very happy about that. Ooh, Lashy Doodle. Ooh. Yeah. Okay, this looks like a makeup palette. It is a makeup palette. Ooh. Oh, this would be good at Halloween. Look, lots of look how sparkly the glitters are. Ooh, I want to swatch. There's a holographic rainbow silver. Ooh, it's softer than I expected. Okay, that's almost a glitter gel. Oh, I did it in a place where you can't really see it. It's not pigmented in the way, oh here we go, in the way a normal eyeshadow would be, because it's just it's just pure glitter. Look at the sparkle though. I feel like you would need some sort of glitter glue on your eyes to make this really work, but it is cute. Let me try to swatch one of the more, oh god, it's stuck now. Let me try to swatch the normal silver. Ooh. Shiny, shiny. If you can see a bruise on my hand, that is because I have made a new enemy at the farm. My nemesis goat is gone. If anyone knows about my nemesis goat, is gone because he had too many babies at the farm and they didn't want 2 head of goats. So they traded him to another farm. And I'm like, but we've had beef for years. How could you get rid of him? But then a sheep came and clanged my hand. I was feeding him and he took the first food very politely and I was like, what a good fella. And when I went to give him more food, he clanged my hand between his big ol' horns and the bars, and I have such a bruise from it. Naughty. Anyway, besides the point, very cute palette. We'll definitely be utilizing this at Halloween. Ooh, what is this? Ooh, also from Lashy Doodle. Eyeliner stamp! Oh, I haven't had a good eyeliner stamp in ages. I used to have a little star one that I loved. Give. Release. It's a little spider web. That's so cute. I don't know realistically how much I would use that shape in my makeup, but I want to find somewhere because it works really well. It's so cute. Oh, and the other end's just a normal one, which I will use all the time. Hell yeah. Perfect. Because my current pen eyeliner has been pissing me off, so this might be better. What is this? It's something with a bat. Oh, it's just oh, that looks like it'll be a good length. It's just a cute little bat necklace. I like that a lot actually. The detail's lovely. And I feel like it'll be a good length for layering. And it feels quite heavy and good quality as well. Hell yeah. Where are you from? Does it say? Maybe it'll say in the paper. I'm still very excited about those socks. Oh, a concealer. Concealer is an interesting one to put in a subscription box because how do you know you're getting the right shade? Oh, is it white? Is that the trick? Okay. I'm how do you get the right shade? White. That's how. Okay, let me see. Yes, we have just straight up white. Oh wait, no. Is this something else? I'm confused. It said concealer. Soft matte complete concealer. This ain't concealing shit. This is like, even on my finger there where I've been swatching it, is the most like sheer... Is it in the wrong box? I'm so confused. Because it also looks kind of glittery. Maybe this is meant to be something else. Highlight? It's definitely not a concealer. I will see. I will consult the paper. Is it a... Oh! Oh! Ah! Oh, that's so cute. Also, oh my god. Return of the purple noodlies. God, we haven't had... I'm just throwing them everywhere. We haven't had purple noodlies in a while. Oh, it's so stupid. I love it. Is it a teeny tiny cat ring? Yeah. We've got, ooh, perfume. Spooky Spirits Orange Clove Autumn. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's strong on the clove. Fucking love clove. Just based myself in this. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, it feels like Halloween. Oh my god, so good, so good. I really love clove smells. I had like a clove oil for a long time that I would just fuck everywhere. And then I think this is the last thing in the box. Oh, cute! 3D skull ice mold. 4, perfect, because I actually don't have an ice cube tray here and my freezer is like teeny tiny, so I can't be dealing with like something massive. But if I just like, I need ice for something, now I have an ice cube tray and it will look cool as well. Perfect, we love that. Okay, we'll go through this and then we'll go through the magazine a little bit. We're not gonna be able to go through the whole thing. Everyone, you'll sit there while I read a magazine. Okay, let me see. We've got, oh, okay, so features in the issue of the magazine include Vivian Blue Deco Noir gowns. Excited to see whatever the hell that is. Julia Denise, I'm probably pronouncing everything wrong. Julia Denise myth-inspired costumes and couture. Yes, lip service PVC clothing sets in new Vampire Red. Ooh. A Transylvania Proposal, Dark Artist Scara Darling's Mystic Trip, the Style of Anne Rice Fan Club Vampire Ball, and more. Plus book reviews and music reviews. Excellent. And in the box we had the socks, yes. Food Clothes specializes in alternative socks that don't suck, no annoying seams, with designs from independent artists, perfect for wear under fishnets or boots. Partnership with the Hag Doctor from Hagborn to help fund her doctorate of naturopathic medicine as she transforms into the Hag Doctor, a primary care provider catering to the well-being of alternative counterculture community members. That's very exciting. At the Hag Doctor, presumably on Instagram, and Hagborn Trade. Lashy Doodle full-sized eyeshadow palette inspired by Halloween. Double-sided ink eyeliner spiderweb stamp, yes. Blood Orange Clove Autumn Essential Oil, yes. Bat necklace from Eerie Baubles. That's who it's from. Well done, Eerie Baubles. Ooh! And the cat ring is also from Eerie Baubles. Skull ice cube molds from Castle Merc. It's good that this is from like a bunch of different businesses. I really like that. Okay, Pale White Shimmer Cream by Dark Asteroid Pretty. It's suitable to use as concealer or highlighter. It is not suitable to be used as a concealer, but I can see it as a highlighter because it's nice and shimmery. And then we've got the lip service sticker and postcard. Oh, and it offers a 10% discount. I wonder if that's still valid. Pretty good. Okay, let's have a little, just like a little flip through the magazine. So this is what it looks like. There's like a cute little social media section. Leave a comment if you can see yourself here. I really hope there's no one on this page who like fucking hates me or something. I'm like, sorry. Oh god, there's more. Cute, okay. Alt trade show. Haha. Like it's just like good quality printing for lack of better description. I miss, this is making me miss like old magazines with like, you know, just like all the cute little ads and stuff. Like this is feeling very nostalgic because I just haven't had a magazine in a long time. Oh, Lashy Doodle do a bat stamp. I want the bat one. Cute, cute. I do like gothic bridal stuff a lot. Good dress, like the plunge. Oh, there's another big picture. Oh, this is cute. Oh, we've got like cool skulls and stuff. Y'all know I love my skulls. I want some of this stuff. Give me the bugs and the skulls. Ah, there's more. Oh, cute, 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 cute. Oh, this is a very good look. Hell yeah. This is also a very good look. I need to actually read all this later. Right now I'm just like, ooh, pretty pictures. Book reviews, what have we got? There's one simply that seems to be, oh, Goth Designing Darkness. Queens of the Wild. Ooh, these are the, that's the gowns that were mentioned. Oh, oh yeah. 10 out of 10 would wear the shit out of that. Imagine me rocking up to Slimelight and that bad boy. This is like the vampire ball. That's so cute. I think this is really neat. Amazing. Okay. I think we should hop right on to the next box because that was very fun and I need more. My little goblin brain demands the trinkets. Thank you very much. I've used my nails, but I've already chipped and broken so many. Oh no. Did it with my claws. Why won't you open? Oh, there's more tape, that's why. And the other side. I got overconfident. No, and I go to London tomorrow. That's annoying. It was all going so well with this thumb. I don't know why I switched. Well, that's annoying. Yep, should have just stuck with this one. Okay. Ooh. Whoa. Aha. Okay. We of course have another magazine. This one's very purple in theme. Ooh, Blackwood Castle is in this one. I love Blackwood Castle. I have like 2 really gorgeous dresses from them. It's the same dress, but I have one in black, one in white. That was like based around the Crimson Peak gown. And yeah, they're such really good. I really want more from them. Okay, this is at the end. Okay, this is box 58. This is also at the end. Oh, ooh, okay, hold on. This right here is what I got so excited about because I did talk about how I wanted to do my like recording streaming room whenever I get a chance, right? Like the sort of like red and black, like early 2000s, 90s goth kind of vibes. This is going right on the wall. This is like exactly like something you would have seen on the wall of a goth bedroom in the 90s / early 2000s. Probably more like early to mid 2000s, but you know what I mean. Hell yeah, that is exactly the vibe, that is exactly the color scheme. I love this art. Yes, go lip service. And then another little lip service sticker. Love this. Ooh! Another one of those perfumes. Is this the same brand? Yes. Yes, they're both spooky spirits. Fuck! But this one is Wicked Warmth. Ooh, I don't know what that smells like. It smells like a little bit gourmand almost. There's cinnamon. Ah, rich brown sugar extract, that'll be what that is. Okay. The clove one is still better, but this is good. Okay. Ooh, we have a ring. Also, Gothic Beauty sticker. I feel like there was meant to be one of those in the other box, but I didn't see it, but I might have just accidentally flung it in my excitement. So it's like black with a red gem, and it is adjustable. Cute. Then from Lashy Doodle, once again, we have something called Doom Dust. Neck black and eyeshadow. Okay. Oh, for like, okay. Get out! Oh! Oh, hell yeah. Does this open again? What is it? Ooh. Ooh, it has a little compartment for a little sponge. Very good, very nice. And then it's just a big old thing of black. So if you're ever worried about running out of black eyeshadow, I think this will do you. And then yeah, you can use it to do the whole black neck thing as well if that's your vibe. Hell yeah. Oh, let me do like a little, oh god, yeah. Do a little, very good. Okay, good, good. I'm gonna keep that handy. Oh, eyeliner stamp. Oh, no, if that's the symbol, that's something that I can see myself. I might even pop one on that. Pop one on it. Give it, give it, give it. Oops. It's like a little twinkle. Oh, I can't see what I'm doing. Boop. Ah! Boop. I don't know if I got that, but if I had a mirror and wasn't like, huh, I could probably do a better job, but that's cute. And then, yeah, another eyeliner pen. Very good. Okay, so this is a Dark Asteroid Pretty Pitch Black Lip Liner. Very good, very nice. Oh yeah, excellent. And then we have a Dark Asteroid Pretty Foundation Brush. I use a beauty blender, but I would use this kind of thing for like other stuff. And so we have just a little, oh, I guess that would also be good for the neck black maybe, because that's the kind of thing I'd use it for is when I'm doing like dense face painty things. So that would actually be excellent. Oh, and then the last thing is a little choker. Just one of these little bad boys, a little lace with like the sort of brass. Very cute. Issue includes Lesion Arts. Designed by Valentine Winter. Cute. Acid Doll, Ressa Sabrina Titman. Ooh, Blackwood Castle, hell yeah. DIY alternative wedding accessories. Anatomy inspired gowns, that's exciting. So we have the foundation brush, yes, from Dark Asteroid Pretty. And also from Dark Asteroid Pretty we have the Pitch Black Lip Liner, perfect. Lashy Doodle double-sided ink marker with black retro future atomic star stamp. Full-size Doom Dust neck black and eyeshadow, yes. Grounded protection adjustable ring from Eerie Baubles. Vintage style black lace choker from Charlotte's Veil inspired by Nosferatu. Miss FD, oh there was another sticker. Where'd it go? Oh here it is. Miss FD sticker, cute. Illustration by comic book artist Chandra Free, Spooky Chan. Lip Service, classic crossbones square sit sticker, Gothic Beauty sticker. Yes, okay, great. Let's have a little peek into this one. Little cute. God, there's so many pages this time of these, and there's people I know in here. This is cute. Ah, cute. It's one of those people I've known online for a million years, but we've never actually met in person. Ooh, that perfume looks interesting. Ooh, I also like the look of this. Oh, I love Blood Milk so much. At one point they had this like ring that was sort of like long, it was a ship, but it was like rose quartz and like the outside like little bits were like bat bones. Oh my god, it was gorgeous. Someday I will own something from them. I am obsessed with Blood Milk. I just scroll through their website and sigh sometimes. Wedding section, very cute. I do love a goth wedding. I haven't been to very many weddings. I think I've like, other than like ones that I was at as a kid, I feel like I've been to 2 maybe, and one of them was only for like, what's the after bit? Whatever that is. And none of them have been like super goth, so someone needs to invite me to their very goth wedding. I demand it. Yay, Blackwood Castle! Woohoo! Cute. I will be reading this later. Oh. Cannot recommend Blackwood Castle enough. I lost my scythe in the whole big move. I couldn't take it and I'm mad. Oh god, I saw the launch party for this. I was actually talking to someone I know and I was like meant to be going to that, but it just didn't pan out in the end, which is a shame because it looked really cool. Oh my god, Voltaire came out with a book. I didn't even know that. Cute. I'm gonna have to go through all the music reviews and see if I can find anything new that I like. Ooh. Amazing. Okay. Gosh, that was very fun. Okay, it is time for the giveaway. So I'm just making sure I've got all the rules right. So first of all, you need to be subscribed to me. You're not getting any freebies if you're not even subscribed, so make sure you subscribe. You have to leave a little comment down below. Leave a comment and let me know what your favorite thing in these boxes was. I want to know if it matches mine, so leave a little comment, tell me what your favorite item in the box was. And finally, you have to download the digital edition of Gothic Beauty Magazine number 58, which is the one we were just looking through. You can download that for free, and if you are subscribed, you leave a comment and you download the magazine, then you're in the running for the giveaway, and I will be picking a winner, and yeah, we can get on that. I think that would be really cute. I will have the link to download that down below. It'll be the first one, and I'll pop some other little links down there as well of some of the things in the box and whatnot if you just want to make a little one-off purchase. And yeah, good luck. I am very excited to see who wins. So thank you so much for watching. I had a fantastic time opening these. They're so cute and you get really, really good stuff. And I do love that it tells you like what companies everything comes from. I just think that is so fun. Love that we're supporting small businesses. Excellent. Before you go, if you could check out my Patreon, I would love you forever. I have a bit of a goal to reach 500 patrons by my birthday. I think it's a bit ambitious. I don't know if we're going to make it, but why not? Let's try. So if you want to help me reach that goal, I feel like I should do something special if I do. I don't know, if maybe some other sort of giveaway or something. So let me know what I should do when I reach 500 patrons. The link for that is down below as well. You can join our Discord and talk to me and the other lovelies. You can also check out my monthly newsletter. It's kind of like a newsletter meets blog meets magazine type deal. So if you enjoy this kind of thing, that's also a thing to check out. And I will see you in the next video. Bye, lovelies.